Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. I have another soda taste test. Today it's going to be Mountain Dew Pitch Black with a punch of grape citrus. This is definitely the first time I've ever seen this. This is actually from Malaysia. I'm in Singapore, but they sell this Malaysian special edition Mountain Dew here, and let's give it a try. So as you can see, it's super dark. It's almost pitch black, but maybe you can see a little bit under the light that it's actually purplish. Let me try to bring my light here. Yeah, there you go. So it's actually pretty purple, but for all intents and purposes, without the light, it looks black as black. So let's give it a try. So regular Mountain Dew is pretty unnaturally flavored. It's like way too green to be natural. Of course, it's not natural. It's all chemicals. And this one is way too super purple, dark purple. Let's try it. Tastes like grape soda, but you notice like no bubbles at all. Totally no fizz. I don't know if it's flat. I mean, I just opened it, but maybe it got shook up. It tastes okay. Yeah, tastes like pretty much normal grape soda. Doesn't even taste that much like Mountain Dew. I guess it's Mountain Dew with grape flavor added. Pretty unspectacular. And the fact that it's not even fizzing, it's hardly fizzing, little bubbles here and there. But kind of pathetic. I actually brought a little plastic cup because my hotel cups are too shitty. Kind of dirty, so I grabbed this little water cup from the plane that I had saved, and now you can see, yeah, just super purple. So it looks like almost like grape cough syrup, or actually there's more bubbles now. Why is it when I pour it in here there's more bubbles than when I leave it in here? Anyway, so yeah, what else is super purple? Pretty much grape soda, grape jelly, grape jello. A really dark, fruity wine. Okay, for some reason I'm getting a lot more bubbles now. So anyway, that's Mountain Dew with a punch of grape flavor, grape citrus flavor. Doesn't taste too citrusy. Grape is not a citrus fruit, so I don't know why you would have grape citrus. Grape plus citrus, I guess. And so that is yet another not so spectacular soda variation. I'll stick with regular Mountain Dew when I do drink soda, which of course, as you guys know, I'm on a soda sabbatical this year. So I'm going to enjoy my specialty soda. I only make an exception if it's for this YouTube channel. So my guilty pleasure. Okay, that's it for today. Check out our other soda tasting videos here on the Clueless Dad, and please give us a thumbs up, but also please subscribe because I need more subscribers. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. This is Coca-Cola ginger with ginger extract flavor. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. I'm guessing not so good, but let's see.